It's right on top of us.
Where's the safest place to be?
Not under a tree.
It's gonna crack us here. Feel it?
Damn.
Sounds like there's a battle this time. That literally shook the freaking ground.
Jesus.
Holy fuck.
This is amazing.
The ground is...
Anyone who thinks that we dominate this planet,
Yeah, the fucking...
Mother
sky
Nature could
is
wipe us away.
exploding, dude.
It literally shook the ground.
Yeah, dude. That shit's funny.
Here it comes.
Oh, dude, that shit was like right over there, bro.
Yeah, it's right on top of
I
us.
could have sworn I saw a little... Are you heading over towards Paul and Joey's? Okay, well, I'll see you in a bit then. I'm at Alex's. You kidding me? Tell that kid to hurry. I gotta get off the phone though, because the fucking reception is scaring me.
Where's my cell phone at?
Oh, baby. Don't have
Damn, dog. You can see it hit, dude. It's like
I know.
right fucking here.
I can't see where it's hitting because it's fucking blinding. Gee.
Dude, that shit was right fucking there.
Yeah, it literally was right there. You ever seen a concert this good?
Epic. I've never seen it like this. Never, not once. Never even heard of it like this. Dude, that's right above us. That
It's
one's
right over
above
us.
bro.
I'm pointing the camera almost straight up right now. It's flashing.
It's gonna hit the yard.
Hopefully it hits a tree before it hits this damn umbrella.
I think metal at the top.
Yeah.
Oh, good to know.
I know,
That
right?
makes me feel safe.
That's alright. We're about 6 feet away from it.
Dude, are you sure my phone's charging?
No?
I'm thinking you should be just freaking out right now. Because it wasn't that blinking. The blinking. Oh, God.
Fucking epic, dude. Here comes another one, dude. It's gonna strike down soon. Here it fucking comes.
Oh.
Boom! I was about to say, I feel like this one's gonna be that way.
Mhm.
Fucking great. Here comes another big ass boom, boom, boom. It's gonna explode.
I'm scared to, like, step out that way. Are you sure you don't have my phone?
Yes, baby. Sure.
Comes another one. It's probably gonna be like behind the house over here on this one. Oh, boom! That was a thick one, dog. Shit.
There's a thick one dog.
Thick one dog, dude.
Fucking Derek's house is gonna burn down. I say that now, but
Same place over here again.
I know.
Oh, my God, that was so bright.
Yeah, dude, I just saw the tops of the hills and the whole hillside over there when that flashed. If you look over here on the next flash, watch, you'll be able to see like weeds on the hill. The see it?
Yeah.
Gypsy, it's like subliminal messaging of it. More cops.
Yeah, they're gonna have a busy night. If it wasn't for this rain.
Oh, holy shit, dude.
This is the sky letting us know who owns.
Yeah. Wow.
Dude, it fucking hurts your eyes.
I know.
Have you been hearing them, dude? Yeah, I
It
almost
shook
felt
the
it.
ground.
I felt those weekends.
We were outside, so our experience was cooler than yours.
Oh.
That one lit up the entire backyard.
The one down there? Hello? Oh, no. Yeah. Do you mind if I come with Andy? Okay, well.
I'm glad it kind of passed us a little bit.
It's too bad.
Damn, it is raining hard. You sure you want to go downtown?
This is more entertaining.
It really is.
Cheaper.
Cooler. Bah, 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 bah.
Oh, I want to hear those drums. Here.
Damn.
Yeah, so turn your lights off. Dickbag. There we go.
Johnny, will you call my phone? Oh, cool.
Whoa! Alright, here we go. That was right there.
It's still like shaking the ground though.
Love too big.
Damn.
I know. It's getting really good over there.
It's not that far away from us either.
No, it's not. A couple miles.
Oh. At least it's raining.
Yeah.
Fucking hard too. Glad your recording was off. Your mom's missing all of this. She's sleeping right now. She's probably awake. She's got her book.